there is a loan program out there called a reverse mortgage.
Yeah.
Remember that old school term, reverse mortgage?
And a lot of people cringe at that one.
Yes, they cringe at it because of the evolution of that loan program over the last, are we dating ourselves? Over the last 20 years.
20 years, yeah.
I could go back further, but I'm just going to go 20. Over the last 20 years, that product itself has evolved in a tremendous way. But if you were around 10, 15, 20 years ago, you kind of cringe when you heard it, because why would I ask my parents to consider that mortgage? And now we no longer are considering that for our parents, but as we get older now, it's us that's making that consideration. And so a reverse mortgage is using the equity within the property to make your mortgage payments on a monthly basis. So that's one option. If someone else is growing in age and they're looking to purchase a home, but they have limited income sources, again, that's where a good lender conversation should take place. There are loan programs that are available. And if there aren't any available at this present time, then a plan can be put in place how to achieve that over 3, 6, 12 months, respectively, so that we just don't leave people in the dark.
Yes.
We've got to educate the public, the home buying public, on what's out there. And when we do, guess what happens?
They make better choices. Yay!
Voila. Yeah, they do. They do. And you are the biggest endorser of the team concept. And so having a knowledgeable real estate agent, a knowledgeable lender, a knowledgeable financial advisor, a knowledgeable title person, title company. I mean, having that team as it pertains to real estate, not one single person in and of themselves is capable of providing everything that a prospective or home buyer needs.
I agree. And when you have the major changes in your life, and I want to say changes because it could be a death, it could be a divorce, it could be a marriage,
Yes.
It could be the birth, it could be the birth of a child. You need to be able to talk to your mortgage person and say, hey, so is there something I could be looking at, or is there something I could do differently? Or because it's mortgage is just a financial instrument. It's something to help you, be able to have home ownership. So how can we do that? How can we utilize it? Well, it's by learning all the different products and figuring out which one is best for you. And that's one of the reasons I say, if you're listening to this and even the mortgages don't apply to you, think about who they might apply to.